Hi, today we will be unboxing my new 13-inch MacBook Pro M1 chip. Caution: do not toss around your new laptop. Hi, this is Adiputra and welcome to my channel. As you might already know, my channel shares about my life's adventure, travel info, and lifestyle talk. Today's lifestyle talk. As some of you know, I have been using my old laptop for almost 6 years now. It is the Lenovo IdeaPad Flex 14 with Intel i5, 8GB RAM, and a 128 SSD hard drive. It is still working, but I think in my current state, I do have to upgrade to a new laptop. As for the experience, my Apple MacBook Pro came in this compact packaging. It was posted in 1 week time. I love the solid and simplicity of the packaging. I ended up putting away my retractable blade because there was no use for it now. And though these were little things, it gives me kind of like a premium experience and a sense of first-class enjoyment. Look at how simple and personal it is. Out from the packaging, the laptop's box is simple in design. Hey, you know Apple? They are as minimal as they can be. I read the environment report in Apple's site. Do you know that Apple uses 100% recycled tin in the solder of the main logic board? The enclosure also was made with recyclable, low-carbon aluminum. The plastics used also is from recycled material. The display glass also used is arsenic-free. Basically, most items used in packaging, it uses recyclable materials, and if they uses any wood fiber, it came from a responsibly managed forest. You might be wondering why I chose Apple. After studying the current market, and assessing my current need, I went on with the 13-inch MacBook Pro M1. Well, I am no hardcore or any fans to any company, but I celebrate technology, therefore I am good with any environment that can benefit me. And for now, I think MacBook Pro can give me that. Revealing the MacBook Pro, I am fascinated by how premium the box is. It is solid and with little promising details. So here is the MacBook Pro. Embracing it is a thin, protective sheet. My MacBook Pro was configured to 16GB of unified memory and 512GB SSD. You can look at the variety of configuration in the Apple website. Having it on my hand, well, it felt quite heavy but bearable. It is exactly 1.4 kilogram. I chose space gray finish and it has two options and the other one is silver. The exact size is approximately 30.41 by 21.24 cm and has the height of 1.56 cm. Let's go back to the box. Here you can find all the booklets, instructions, and inserts for the product's information. Actually, there are two kinds of people in this world. Those who actually read products instructions and information, and those who do not. I think I am the adventurous one. Yep, not reading it. Well, if you can see here, I am trying to pull the card inside and it is not coming off. I think it is merely a hardening card to protect the booklets. Well, I'll inspect it later. And this complimentary sticker is the one that I must go to battle with, especially with my siblings and my housemates who already knew I ordered an Apple product. They were trying to get me giving them the sticker, and of course, they will not have it. With that, it uncovers the other item, which is the 61-watt USB-C power adapter. For me, who uses a 6-year-old laptop, this is huge. I mean, this is small. Whenever I had to go for outstation, my former device packing can become a huge hassle, as the wiring and peripherals were too bulky. This saves a lot of space. Here is the 3-pin my regions adapter, and I assume it just slides into the main body here. We will look into this later. Another item that is being provided is this USB-C charge cable. The length is 2 meters. I think I will have to take real good care of this cable since the item individually sells at Rm99 ringgit in Apple website, which is not cheap. So that is the unboxing part, and let's move on to the unwrapping. Here it is. Let's see what's underneath. Like mentioned, this is the space gray finish. I really love the premium look and professional feel overall. The sleek design and solid feel give me the sense of quality and elegance right the very moment. The Apple logo is shining. To the left side, it features two USB-C supporting Thunderbolt 3, which can transfer up to 40 GB per second. And to the other side, it features a 3.5mm jack for headphones. At the bottom part of the device, it only has product information. The weight is quite heavy though, with 1.4 kg to be exact. At the rear is where the exhaust air outlet coming from the built-in fan, obviously. Let us now look at the specification more thoroughly. So with the new device here, we would have to clear the old device, which can be seen quite bulky on the table. I will have to find another way to repurpose the device since it is still can be used and it has gone through almost 6 productive years with me. I feel bad, but unfortunately space must be made for the MacBook Pro and everything must go. Well, the snake plant can stay and the comfortable armrest too. The new device is an inch smaller from my previous laptop, so it seems a little bit small compared to the 14-inch Lenovo laptop. However, I purposely would like a smaller laptop since I am frequently mobile. Opening the lid, it made a welcoming sound. And the first amazement is of course the Retina display. Diagonally, it measures 13.3 inch with LED backlit display and IPS technology. It projects 500 nits brightness with True Tone technology, and I can assure you this is a huge upgrade for me. This trackpad is super awesome, large in size and full of functions. There are several gestures that allow users to navigate seamlessly and efficiently. It includes Force Touch trackpad for precise cursor control and pressure sensing capabilities. The Magic Keyboard is also very responsive and feels decent. These are the two USB-C ports that supports up to 40 GB per second. And here is the life-saving 3.5mm audio jack. As promised, let's look at how the power adapter works. The sleek design is just plug and play and can be dismantled whenever needed. It delivers 61 watt power through a USB-C charge cable. The stereo speaker provides high dynamic range, wide stereo sound, and support Dolby Atmos playback. The mic also is studio quality 3 mic array. The MacBook Pro also is equipped with 720p HD camera, and it includes Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.0 technology. The operating system is the latest one, the Mac OS Big Sur, and claimed to be the most advanced desktop operating system in the world. With the M1 chip, the efficiency of the device provides up to 20 hours of movie playback and surely provides quite considerable time of productive usage. As we all know, comparing to its predecessor, the M1 chip currently at the moment is outrageously super fast and powerful unified memory. It provides up to 2.8 times CPU performance, and its 8-core GPU in the Apple M1 chip is the most advanced graphics processor ever built, providing 5 times faster graphics performance. Therefore, Apple really won my trust for now, and I hope this new laptop would be a great productivity tool for me. Apart from mobility and performance, the most thing that won my heart is the battery hours. How about you? What is your preference that suits your lifestyle? Share it with me in the comments below. If you would like me to make more contents on the MacBook Pro, feel free to leave me your suggestions. Also, hit the like and subscribe buttons if you think my content benefits yourself. I hope that this sharing would inspire you. See you in the next video. Well, this is Adiputra and stay safe.